Hey everyone, I'm Amyra Dastur. I hope you guys are all safe at home. I hope your family is doing well and that all of y'all are healthy. I've decided to take up Femina India's Slay at Home challenge because I know a lot of y'all keep asking me about my skincare routine. So instead of telling y'all, I thought I'd show y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this video and I hope you guys manage to get the same kind of skin that I do using these little home essentials. Enjoy! There you go, clear skin in literally just 1 hour prep. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I hope it works on your skin as well. Also, small piece of advice, do this before you're gonna go for a shower because it's gonna get really messy. Anyway, lots of love. You guys take care, stay healthy, stay safe.